these are the yellow sweaters. I have them in white as well, and I have one orange left, just so you guys know. So these are nice yellow, okay? On the inside, it has fleece. So if you're someone that likes a nice thin sweater, has a nice fleece material on here. So these are really comfortable. And it's a little stretchy, has a little bit of stretch, but not that much. So make sure if you are large, you get a large. If you like something to fit you like a little more bigger, then go to extra large. Yeah, so the hoodies, the hood part doesn't have the same fleece. It's like a lighter cotton material, but the inside definitely has the fleece. I don't know if you guys can see it in the video. The video does show it, but it's very comfortable and machine washable. Everything's good to go. All right, so all of them have the Trouble logo on it, okay? It's a bomb.